Hello again. We are here practicing social distancing, which really means I am practicing how many variations of sweatpants and pajamas I can wear without feeling like a complete hobo. And that is endless, is the answer to that question, in case you were thinking, because I'm sure your pajama game has stepped up at the grocery store or all those other essential places you're allowed to go and not really get dressed for. Ladies, I bet you are enjoying not having to wear heels everywhere, unless you live with like some chauvinistic man. But let's not talk about that. That's for Dr. Phil. Write your letters, get him in. He's doing videos online as well. But in true sweatsuit fashion, I decided today's cocktail is going to be the Sidecar, often ordered in the hip hop community. Can I get a Hennessy Sidecar? I don't know, can you? That's usually what's going through somebody's head. But so we're gonna make a Sidecar. It's kind of like a margarita, but we use brandy. Hennessy is a brandy, but it's made in cognac, so it's called cognac. It's very region specific. Yiggity yaggity. You know the rest of that. So we're gonna start prepping. So we're gonna put sugar on 2 martini glasses. So in order to rim it, we are definitely gonna need some citrus. So we're gonna cut this just a wee bit. Give me something to put on the rim of each of these glasses, a little pinch, a little twist. Get one. Always gotta make 2 because I don't live alone. Second glass. All right. Ice, shake. Got a much better behaved straggler today. He has learned to stay out of the room while I'm in here preparing these drinks. That's right. He's a good dog. Don't you wish everybody was that well behaved? They're not. Can I get a Hennessy Sidecar? Anyway, so we're gonna use just some Christian Brothers brandy, 2 ounces of this. Traditional recipe would be lemon juice, simple syrup. I actually was able to procure some lemons and limes, so I made my own sour mix ahead of time. And we're gonna put another 3/4 of an ounce of that in there. And because I know how to make things better, I'm gonna use some orange liqueur, blood orange liqueur, because this is gonna set this drink right off. Just 1/4 of an ounce of that. I won't get anybody diabetes while they drink. That's a horrible situation to be in. And time to shake. I do think I want to garnish this drink tonight just to set it right off. So I'm gonna cut another one of these so that I can express some of this clementine in here before it goes bad, because food is of the utmost importance during this crisis. And don't have my strainer. My wife must be washing it, so in true professional fashion, I'm just gonna strain this because I know how to do this without stuff. I worked in some low-life places that don't have the right equipment, but I get through it. Apparently, I live in one right now. And there it is, another perfect pour and another delicious cocktail, the Sidecar.